How to fix mirror or inverted video call in WhatsApp. So, WhatsApp may mirror flip your front camera during video calls by default. It appears mirrored only to you, the other person sees your video normally. However, if it is inverted, then here is how you can fix it. First of all, simply try restarting your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix camera orientation bugs. So simply power off your iPhone and wait for 10 to 15 seconds and power it back on. After doing this, simply look for the App Store app on your device or Google Play Store for Android. Then all you have to do is search for the WhatsApp app in the search address bar. Then if you see update icon available next to it, tap on it and update it to the latest version, because older versions may cause camera or display glitches. Now all you have to do is wait for a few minutes for your new updated WhatsApp to be installed and simply open it on a device. Now another one is to disable screen rotation lock. If your video appears upside down or rotated, swipe down to access control center in iOS or quick settings in Android. Then turn off the portrait lock or auto rotate and rotate your phone to ensure the camera orients properly. So basically, WhatsApp does not provide a setting to turn off mirroring. The mirror view is only visible to you and does not affect how others see you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.